Health P.E.I. was hoping to have cooling units in all provincial long-term care homes by this summer. Officials have been working on it since the fall. The 2 newer homes already have them, but finding companies to do the work on the other 7 is harder than expected.
Well, it's July 4th. We didn't want to be here right now, having this kind of conversation, obviously, when we started this process earlier, but we are here, but we are prepared as well, and we're responding. And there's no really one magic solution that's involved when it comes to providing air temperature control, like we know that, so it's a whole host of different things.
In the meantime, he says staff are taking extra steps to keep people cool. Some of the lights are off, the curtains are closed, and he says they try and use the oven as little as possible. There are portable AC units like this too. This home alone has over 80 and 23 heat pumps.
Those are kind of the infrastructure things we're doing, but otherwise our teams are changing our process in terms of how we're doing activities, how we're serving our meals, how we're doing our support services, and of course making sure everyone is not at risk for heat stroke.
One worker says it still gets hot though, and that can be hard on people living here. Lots have AC units right in their room, but it'll be great to eventually have a cooling system for the whole facility.
It is pretty miserable on the hot days especially. But we've been pushing extra fluids. The managers are dropping off popsicles to all the units, so that's been a big help for staff and residents. But definitely on the really hot days, it's affecting us. Like, we're having to take more breaks.
But even with that heat, she says she's willing to push through for the people who live here.
Oh, I love my job. Yeah, I love helping people, and I love the people I work with. I love my residents. I've been with the same residents for 9 years, so.
The executive director of Seniors Care says this is still a top priority. Work is underway in Summerside, and he's hoping to have cooling units installed in a month or so there, but other facilities might have to wait until at least the fall. Sheehan, Desjardins, CBC News, Charlottetown.